So just take this, put it there. Yep, so if you're wondering what was that mystery box in the back of the truck, this is it. Got a Jeep winch bumper. Gonna modify it to fit on the front of this. So, here we go. I can't forget to drill holes, so if I want to add some lights to this later, I could just snake them up through.
I made my teeth hurt.
Like a dentist?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. God, I hate that.
In there. Look at that. D-rings and all. Now, I mean, you look at all the steel and all the cuts and all the welds. You can't make this for $135. You think about what they must really pay for this. I mean, the shipping on this thing is oversized too, right? So, I mean, it's got to be like $30, $40 to ship it. See the marking on it. They are. Time to take the front bumper cover off. Huh. There. There, see? Wow. See the front of this thing?
Yeah. Less space there than I would have guessed.
I know, I thought that went under a little bit farther. What's this for? Huh, that's the cold air that goes into the frame. Wow, a little tiny hole. Yeah, man, it's got ram air cold air intake. That's pretty low. That's a little scary low. Because it goes into the frame. It's got two little holes out. Like little holes like that. But you definitely don't want to rip this stuff. It's got brake lines, clutch, throttle. I wonder why it's got the little holes in there. I mean, mice are going to get in there. It's not like it's preventing that. And there's holes all through the frame. So yeah, I guess I'm going to have to have plates here to bolt in. As long as there's someplace inside.
There's nothing underneath?
No. It goes from like a square frame into unibody. Oh yeah, there's plenty of stuff in here. That's literally the outside. Holy macaroni. I don't know, maybe you guys want to hold it up there? And I can see.
What do you want to put it right up to the bottom of the light?
I'm going to have to take that horn out. And all the way underneath the light. Like, just like that. Yes, it does.
How about now?
Or just cut a couple pieces of angle iron, bolt them.
Yeah.
Then that'll sit on top of that. And then I could just go from the bottom to something under here.
You better run an angle iron all the way across and put like 1,000 bolts in it, or else I would never put a winch on that ever.
Well, yeah. I'm talking about not a little piece. I'm talking about like, you know, a good 1.5 inch piece of angle iron. And if you put enough bolts across, it's the only thing I could think of. And then once it's hanging there, all I got to do is go from the bottom, and I could probably, you know, come across to those points.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad. That's a good idea.
Because then you got the entire front. I think I have some 1.5 inch angle iron. And all I have to worry about is these two pieces here. I could either notch them, which I probably should just notch it. Instead of going 3 separate pieces, I'll just put notches. I wonder what that dent's for. That could be a problem. Is that a gas pedal or something there? Clutch?
Nope.
I just put a piece of rubber. So this has to go up. This comes up on an angle. And then this, I got a notch. Just like that. It's easy though, right?
Yeah.
Actually, that harness is right here, right? Right against this.
from the corner of the hump about 1.5 inches up.
So I can't drill here unless I
Unless
pull
you
it
move
out.
harness. I guess that's more than the regular washer would be. That should be enough.
So that's 2. That means I just have to cut off. Fucking drifted already. Wow, that is thin. It's sheet metal.
I think I told you that.
Here, it's nice and hot.
Yeah, hold
Grab
this.
it. It's actually not that hot. Okay. Yeah.
Ouch, sorry to hear that.
Got the wire behind that washer and everything, nice and
Yeah,
squeezed.
pinched it right in there.
Oh.
Oh,
Mm.
I could fix that.
Good on this side.
Actually, you're good.
There. That's the only time he's like,
Just spray paint black back there.
yeah. I was thinking I was either gonna have to paint it or I was gonna put a piece of rubber, but I think I'm better off painting it.
And this, I don't know, you can always make something up.
How about if I cut the end of the bumper off? Because then it'll cover this whole thing and then just taper it right to that piece almost. It might work. So I need a piece, probably 12 inches on that side. This horn I think I could put right there. Relocating right here. Don't look too bad in there. Not bad.
Yeah.
You know, and just catch that bolt right after it notches. That'll work. A longer one of these for sure. One down, one to go. Maybe this one will just go right to this bar. Oh, look. Japanese wasp nest. Perfect. That should be enough. This down. If I cut that, just leave this out. I gotta go a little more. I got a notch. Huh, let's see if that works. It looks like it's gonna end up working now. So I'm gonna have to notch this down. There's a latch right here.
Up, you got it.
What is up, mini truck? Paint it up a little bit. I'm gonna have to paint inside, so it's gonna stink because it's cold out. What's up, Mama? Yeah? You wanna help? So you can get black all over you? You're going out before I spray. You know this. No. Rust-Oleum. Oh yeah. Let the paint dry. Not meant for this small of a winch, but it's going to work. Nice and tight. Life hack. Set of amplifier wires or winch. Get these cheap jumper cables. I think I got these from Aldi's for like 10 bucks. And they're
4-gauge wire.
good for that small winch or for, you know, amplifiers and stuff like that. A lot cheaper than buying the wire too. Cheesy life hack. See? Now be careful because they got cheaper cables, which I think I got from the dollar store. That's 10 gauge. They look thick, but look at the difference. This is garbage. Barely even speaker wire. Look at all the plastic. You can usually tell by the weight of them too, but that's junk. Time to sneak it through. You definitely better tie wrap that shit up there when we're done. Frame rail. That's some wire right there. It's and the circuit breaker goes on the battery side. I mean, it's bigger than the wire that they give me. Like way bigger. The stuff that's in here isn't nowhere near that size. Oh, shit. This wire's heavier than what they put on the whole circuit of this truck. So I guess it'll be aight. Wow, look at them little baby terminals. That's cute. Wow, I paid good money for these fucking tie wraps too. I decided I'm going to run everything inside, so I put a little slice in the boot and shove all this stuff up in here. I thought about putting it out here, but I don't really want to have the controller in the weather. That's bad. I guess I'll put it right here. Right, tie wrap it to that post. Probably better in here anyway. Add the elements, plus I got a major 12 volt heavy source if I want to connect anything in the future, and it's right here. Whenever I got these fucking tie wraps are garbage, man. Fucking eBay junk. I got a wireless winch control. Shorten these wires up. I'm still going to keep that plug so I can have a backup in case this breaks, and then just plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. I'm not leaving this plugged in either. Gotta have a backup. Time to connect my power. Positive first on a negative ground system. Let's drive her out and see what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. Not bad. $135 front winch for a Jeep. I'm gonna have to put some decals or something. Wrong door.
You dumbass!
Hear them D-rings bouncing. I gotta find a piece of hose to jam between there. I guess in low it automatically puts it in 4-wheel drive. It didn't do it when I first got it. There must be a switch. Damn mud. I don't want to beat this poor damn thing up, man. Try to find a little hill to pull up here. Let's try this winch out. Let's see how this works. Plug in my remote. Get my remote. Get my mini tree saver. I guess I should take the emergency brake off. No, let's see how it works. Let's see how this emergency brake works. Oh, it's in 4-wheel drive, so. Aw, my mini hook won't fit on there. I gotta put a bigger hook. Save me already. Look at that. What's up, mini truck? Oh, Jesus. Look at the friggin' mud and ice. Wow. Didn't get stuck, mini truck. Not frozen enough. Guess I won't drive across my pond yet. I think it looks pretty good. Already worked. You can see where I scuffed. Doing this job already. Oh, something come up and whack back on there. One tough mini truck.
Oh, Jesus.
What the fuck?